This is Market Films. I'm just reviewing my Hikari LED kits. These are from my low beams on my 2010 Civic Si FA5. Yeah, these are LEDs from Hikari. Here's the packaging. Let's go ahead and open it. So here's the manual. I have Megatron, some Transformers reference. I wonder why. That's pretty cool. Here's the LEDs. Again, these are designed in Japan, made in China. There's two LED diodes on each side. One here, one on the other. I guess they don't have it on the front end. I guess just on the sides. It looks pretty solid and legit. Here's the fan housing here. It's a pretty small LED kit. I'm gonna have a quick video of my current halogen lights and see how they look like. They're just the stock ones, and I'll do a comparison test and how they look in comparison to the old. So I hope these will look nice. My stock halogen headlights on my FA5 2010 Civic Si. You can't really see it on the camera, but in person they look more yellow. On camera I think they look a little bit more white. Yeah, both stock incandescent lights on my fog light and my headlight housing on the low beams. So yeah, this is how the headlights look like here. So for this car, we have to remove the coolant reservoir. Yeah, the other side though, this side you have to come through the back here. That's the weird spot. You have to go through the.
This is the brand we're putting in.
Let's see here. This. Yeah, sorry. Oh, the eye of Megatron.
I trust this brand with my life.
We took off. So we took off the coolant reservoir. Now we're putting in the 9006 LED lights. We need the light.
Oh, I got it. I can see it.
Oh, you can see it?
You might just see my bald spot instead of actually it being installed. There we go.
Let me just take this one out.
So, here's the... Just for one bulb, do you think it's worth cutting the actual harness over here? Because look, there's a notch over here, a notch over here. Most of the time it's only one side notch. When you plug it in, it's almost gonna secure, but this is in the way.
Just shave that off.
Yeah. Yeah. Man, you're smart.
You just cut it.
So turns out the Hikari lights aren't really OEM snug. We have to do a slight modification.
Oh, Jake, you have a knife, right?
Oh, I know. My mom threw them away.
Seems like we have to do a slight modification.
Pro tip: black is positive.
Yeah. So the terminal housing is not quite compatible.
Needs more sand.
For the passenger side, we have to remove the fender guard just to access the headlights. On this side, you can see it coming up top. It's too narrow. We have to jack up the car to reach the headlights on the passenger side.
Can you jack it up a little bit more?
A little bit more. Oh.
You got the new one?
Yep, but we still have to do that trick though, because the housing is not compatible with the...
I just cut myself! Record it!
Oh, are you serious?
I almost did.
So we have to do a modification on the Hikari headlights.
Pro tip, it's always safe to cut towards yourself.
Yes. We have to cut off a little safety tab there.
Hopefully I don't cut off a little bit of my finger. Can you...
Oh, yeah.
Need someone to hold this up me so my skin oils don't...
Yeah, we
get
have to
on.
cut off that safety tab.
Not that it matters on an LED though. That's not working.
So with the Hikaris, you have this safety tab here. Hopefully it's not really that much of a use.
How do you put this out?
There you go. This tab right here needs to go.
It's getting good. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, you have a file on this? Yeah, you do.
Yep. You could do it at the same time. Oh, nail filer. There you go. I think you're gonna work on your nails.
This side's more coarse.
Course.
Coarse.
Those nail filing skills though.
I could open my own salon. You'll see. We'll all see.
Jake the pilot / flamethrower.
You'll be able
Guy
to see because these are so bright.
Shine bright like a diamond.
Hey, where did my drink go?
I got thirsty.
The LEDs on. I left the fog lights, the fog light halogen bulbs on, the originals, just to compare with the Hikari LED light color. As you can see, the halogen is definitely more yellow, and the Hikari lights look very bright, and I love the color. We have to look at it outside because right now we're in the garage, so we could barely see how it really looks, but you can also look against the wall here, the difference between the two lights with the LEDs on the top and the fog light halogens on the bottom. And the fog light color was the same as the original OEM low beam light, so you can see there's a big difference. And I really like the Hikari lights. They look really nice and crisp. And again, I'll show some more footage of it when we're outside the garage. Yeah, so this is my video for my Hikari LED lights. As you can see, it's pretty bright. It's nice and crisp, and it's very white. It's like pure white, and I really like it. I just wish it was a little bit brighter. It kind of reminds me of the modern LED lights that are on cars right now. But it does the work. It's better than the original halogen headlight bulbs. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please subscribe, and see you in the next episode. Thanks and have a good day.